Hello guys, welcome back to another informative video on business topics. In today's video, we are going to discuss the 5 ways to make money on Instagram. With this guide, you will not only learn how to make money on Instagram, but how to significantly scale your online presence too. To exemplify this, we've selected the profitable examples to help walk you through each step of the way. So let's start the topic. First of all, as we all know well about Instagram, which is a free online photo sharing application and social network platform, we spend several hours just scrolling Instagram. Don't simply pass the time on Instagram, turn it into a passive income instead. From selling merchandise to becoming an influencer, you can choose numerous methods to make money on Instagram. This video discusses the top 5 ways to make money on Instagram. The first method in the list is sell your physical products. Instagram allows you to sell your physical products by creating your business account on Instagram. All you need after creating an account: upload product images, descriptions, and price of your merchandise. Then users can discover your items and check them out without ever leaving Instagram, and your online shop is ready to receive the orders. You just need to pack the product and ship it to the customer's doorstep. Let's move on to the next method: sell your digital products. If you're an online entrepreneur or a service provider with a cool Instagram profile, you should be taking advantage of selling digital products. You just need to put a link on your Instagram bio for your digital products and upload the catalog for digital products like ebooks, podcasts, teaching courses, etc. Also, post the pictures and the descriptions of your digital product. Keep in touch with your followers, use hashtags, and establish your Instagram as a signature profile. The third method is drive traffic to affiliate links. Evidently, the more people who see the brand on Instagram, the better chance they will buy from this website. Drive traffic to affiliate link strategy for making money on Instagram is about promoting your own unique content and driving people to your website. By adding links to your Instagram bio or by adding stories and links, you earn when viewers click on your given links. Jump on the next method, which is organize different host paid webinars, workshops, and events. A paid webinar is a live online event that you host on Instagram and charge your audience to attend. You can make the topic as specific or general as you like, but it should be high-demand content. In addition, if you're an expert on any given topic, paid online training through live streaming on Instagram is an excellent opportunity to show off these skills and earn a lot. You just need to post on Instagram to inform your followers about workshops or events on any specific topic. Hosting paid webinars or events is a great way to make a second source of income for your business. Now comes on the 5th method of earning money through Instagram is make brand promotions. Partnering with brands or promoting any brand is likely the most well-known way that creators can make money on Instagram. If you can reach coveted influencer status, you can use your Instagram profile to promote all kinds of products from all kinds of brands. Brands tend to partner with influencers to do sponsored posts that help spread the word about their products. To get to this point, you need to grow your Instagram following as well as regularly come up with posts that generate strong engagement from your followers. You can earn a lot and boost your earnings by following these methods. Hope you know much about earning through Instagram. See you in our next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video.